What if you could reduce the time and resources spent for repairs and on-site maintenance by using a fast, user-friendly app? The Troubleshoot Advisor app seamlessly guides technicians through the troubleshooting process for Liebherr mining excavators, trucks and dozers. The app uses knowledge-based engineering to solve complex problems and provides easy-to-follow recommendations through a simple and intuitive interface. The Troubleshoot Advisor app allows users to access more than 47,000 steps to solutions from over 4,000 troubleshooting guides. All it takes is 3 easy steps. Connect to the application. Indicate the issue by selecting the relevant equipment, fault location and fault code. Resolve the issue by following the step-by-step solution. Once the issue has been resolved, technicians can provide feedback directly in the application, and combining user feedback with our engineering expertise allows us to constantly improve the efficiency of our solutions. The Troubleshoot Advisor app is available for iOS and Android devices, including desktop computers, tablets and smartphones, with an offline mode that allows technicians to access the information they need anywhere at any time.